Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness. Physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the divine fruit, Taurus. Your thoughts, your entire being, you're rooted in all positivity and good things. You look good, you smell good, you're ripe. Everything is ready for you to blossom. You have been in a dark time of actually watering your plants, watering yourself, watering your dreams, making sure you shed all the negative attitudes or negative energy that's been plaguing you through the last couple years. It makes sense. You've been put through the rigors. You've been put through a lot of trials. You've been put through a lot of lessons, but you've stayed positive and you understand who you are and you make sure you reflect only greatness. As I work to improve and free myself, I strengthen my foundations. My intellect is light because you are a genius. My heart is warmth. You're very loving. That's what everyone loves to come towards you and everyone is so attracted to you. And your soul is strength. You bend, but you never break. You always step up and you always succeed. I am nurtured by the divine sun and my fruit I bear reflects my inner light. Make sure that you are staying positive. Positive blessings and manifestations only come to a positive being. These are the rules of the universe. Use them. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And I love you too.